I think a brotherhood, a sisterhood, a family of entrepreneurs that really care about each other. Out of all of the masterminds that I've participated in, Warroom, I believe, has the highest level of achievers, but also committed and caring people that are just willing to share. So anyone that's considering Warroom needs to join.
Being around a community of so many like-minded people is so inspiring. Sometimes it makes you get out of your way and realize that you're playing way too small of a game. And so being around everyone here, oh man, even just an hour in the room, it will give you enough motivation to last half a year.
The leadership of Warroom is what makes all the difference, right? Because they're the ones that set the tone. They're the ones that, have many of the answers and are the experts in a lot of ways, but even more so, their leadership and their style and their willingness to share what they're working on, what's working, what's not working, filters down through the whole organization. So Ryan, Perry, Roland, Richard, everybody that's part of the leadership has set the tone for what makes the group great.
It was amazing. So just the people, like the environment is the most impactful thing ever to me. One of my first businesses was a fruit truck junk removal movement because I didn't know online, I didn't know other things existed. So I tell people you got to get in rooms like a war room because you get to get around people who are playing at high levels. So my biggest takeaway is several little tactical things that I've learned, but it's just go bigger. Like you got to think bigger, dream bigger, and be around bigger people because that's how you get bigger.
It's gratifying to be around people that are at Warroom. My company, we target top performers. We market to top performing individuals who are doing stuff for the right reasons. We don't market the companies because most companies have culture problems. The top performers are about making the world a better place. And these are the people that are here at Warroom. You start a conversation with somebody sitting at the table, you got a pretty good idea ahead of time what their values are going to be. They're going to be a top performer, they're going to be a thinker, they're going to be an entrepreneur. They're going to be an entrepreneur that is adapted and grown, which is a challenge, which means they're into learning and doing better. So there's going to be all these reasons why you're going to automatically resonate with the people that are around you.